my name is Elia and I'm going to make some slime. Okay, I have some glitter too, and it's red and gold. And I have magical liquid. And I have clear glue. And now my most important thing is the spoon. So let's get started. It's funny making noise. That's all of it. And now I'm going to pour in these two. It's red and gold. So let me put the gold in. Really fun making slime. And now we'll talk on to, I'm going to do the other one. The red one's really pretty. Okay. So cool. It's gonna take a long time to do this. Okay, I think it's all done. Now, I think we're all done mixing. Now let's pour in magical liquid. Oops. I spilled it. Let's just keep on doing it. Whoa. Sticky. Okay. Let's get doing it. I think I'm finished. I think I keep stirring. Let's keep stirring, guys. I think it's all ready because I've been stirring. Yep, I think it's done. Now I'm going to just stretch it until it turns into slime. It's not very sticky. Oh, now it is, yeah. Doesn't feel. Now it's sticky. Pretty and shiny. Oh, now I can see it. The red. Look at that. Shine and shine. hope you enjoyed this video. Wow.